Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to replace the battery. First thing you have to do, you have to take out all the screw at the back of the laptop. Okay, so many screw. Okay, you remove this rubber here. There's a screw here you need to take out. 3 screws inside you need to take out. Put it like this. Okay, in the front there's another rubber that you're supposed to remove. This one already they removed the rubber inside. So you take out all the screw. Take out these 3 screws plus another 3 in the front. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay. After I take out all the screw, I remove the clip. I can open it like this a bit and just open the side to remove the back cover. Now is the clip, just open the clip right down. Okay, take out the back cover. Okay, as you can see, the battery already swallow, very big. Take out all the screw. Have 5 screw. 3 in the front, 2 at the back. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay. After I take out all the screw, you remove the battery and replace the other one. Make sure you fix it properly, slide it in well. Make sure you fix the battery terminal very nice. Okay. And you replace all the screw back you take out from the battery. Make sure you place all the screw back. Okay. After you fix the battery very nice, then just close the cover. Make sure you close all the clip first before you start putting the screw. Then you replace all the screw back. Make sure you place all the screw back you take out. Okay. Make sure you place all the screw. After you place all the screw, then you fix back the rubbers. Okay, fix this one and fix the other one back also. Okay. Then you put your laptop on charge. Okay. You on the laptop and make sure the laptop is charged full charge before you remove the charger and use it completely. Okay. Even the battery is 80 something percent, you still need to put it on charge and see how you're using it. When the laptop is full charge, you can take out the battery so you don't spoil the battery. Okay. Now the laptop is on, everything is good. I mean, it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.